Class 7, this is online session, civics part. Dear students, already completed history and geography part. I ask two questions for you. First one, which word is similar to independence? Answer is liberty. Second one, all are equal before law. Means equality. Yes, today discuss about equality. Civics Unit 1, equality. Every human has rights. Do you know? Every human has rights. Liberty and equality are the two fundamental concepts of democracy. All people should be equal before law and everybody should be given equal chance and opportunity to participate in political life. Naturally, man unequal in color, height, talent, physical strength, and the natural inequalities can be never rectified. Yes, naturally inequalities can be rectified. Example, the twins looking like the similar are not equal in their abilities. Twins looking like the similar, but they are not equal their abilities. Man made inequalities on the basis of caste, money, religion. This view universally accepted. People are differed in their capacity, ability, and attitude. But at the same time, it is also accepted. People should be given equal opportunity for the development of their skill and talents. Equality is the pillar of democracy. The concept of equality got popular 18th century, the French Revolution and the American War of Independence. 19th and 20th century it gained much popularity. What is equality? Equality is about ensuring that every individual has an equal opportunity to make the most of their lives and talents. What does equality? Equality means absence of any privilege to anybody. What do you mean privilege? Privilege means special concerns. Equality is ensuring individual or groups that are not treated differently or less favor on the basis of special protected characteristics including area of race, gender, disability, religion or beliefs and age. Definition. Note this. According to Professor Lasky, equality does not mean identity of treatment, the sameness of reward. It means first of all absence of social privilege. On the second, it means that adequate opportunity are laid upon to all. Privilege means special concerns. Let's see importance of equality. Importance of equality. It is a powerful moral and political ideal. Equality is guided human society for many centuries. Equal work regardless of their caste, color, gender and nationality. The democratic ideals such as liberty and equality are meaningful and effective only when they are implemented with justice. Various dimensions of equality. Legal dimension of equality, political dimension of equality, social dimension of equality, economic dimension of equality. These are the dimension of equality. Let's see kinds of equality. There are 4 kinds of equality. Dear students, take book page number 188. There are 4 kinds of equality. First one, social equality. Second one, civil equality. Third one, political equality. Fourth one, gender equality. Explanation of social equality. Social equality means all citizens are entitled to enjoy equal status in society. That means not deal discrimination. Discrimination means treat unequal. Discrimination means treat unequal. There should not be any discrimination, caste, religion, color, money, and etc. All should have equal opportunity. Equal opportunity, it lead to develop their personally and to complete goals also. So, in society, every citizen must have social equality. Next, civil equality. Civil equality is enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens. That means all are equal before law. Already told this view, equal rights should be available to all the persons and nobody should be denied enjoyment of any rights. Rule of law. That means rule based on law. All are equal before law. Rule of law implemented by England government. And in the eyes of law, one is all are equal, another one treat equally before law. That is called rule of law. Rule of law implemented by England. Do you know rule of law was advocated by A.V. Dixie. He is the legal luminary of British government. So rule of law means all are equal before law. Dear students, today complete today's concept. This lesson to be continue next class. Homework. 2 marks, what is equality? Second one, what is civil equality? 5 marks, importance of equality. This question read and write 2 times. Thank you, dear students.